Welcome to the channel. It's actually really cold. Got the snow removed off the car, so I'm gonna see if we can get there. Oh my god! So we've got there. We've got what I thought I would do is move the van. I've got it sitting in down the hill, and I should have moved it yesterday, just in case. Now the problem I've got with this van, and part of doing this video, is that the glow plugs don't work in this. So last week it was 5 times to get it going, so what if I just do 5 heats and it's 2? I'm not expecting it to start. I mean, I think some of the glow plugs work, that's 3. Volkswagen T4, right, and at least we get it warmed up. I might move it up onto the drive, away from the slope, just in case this stuff gets worse. It's 4. Do you know, this stuff might get worse. Right, 2. That's, I don't think it really works like that, does it? You know, I think you have to actually try it. You have to try it. It's very cold. It might not even start. We need the easy start to get it going. It's a case that another thing I might have to do is connect the battery up, charger up to it. Maybe if well, I don't know if much point in leaving it. The other thing is, if it gets that bad, I won't be able to go anywhere in it anyway, so. So it needs to sort of get going of its own accord. That doesn't want to go, does it? See, if you put your foot in the throttle, that doesn't really do it either. I have tried that last year. Just not wanting to go. Oh dear. So it's just got the temperature's got that low that it's just. It doesn't work. If you put your foot in the throttle, it doesn't seem to work. No, it's not starting. Oh shit. Right. I'll have to leave it for now. Probably a good idea to charge the battery up, I think, even though the battery has got power in it. It's just too cold for it. Bye!